Hey, what's going on? My name is Daniel here at Phillips Chevrolet of Lansing, Illinois. Today I'm in a brand new 2026 Chevy Silverado EV Trail Boss. This thing is amazing. Bunch of new features on the Chevy Silverado EV. One of the amazing features that this car does is called the CrabWalk, where your vehicle is able to move diagonally from side to side. Today I'm going to show you how do we activate the features. Let's get to it. Okay, here we are in the beautiful Chevy Silverado 26 EV. Beautiful infotainment system here. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the side here. We're going to go over to controls. And here where you say controls and safeties, we're going to go over where it says rear steering, or you could just go over here where you see more controls. We're going to go to rear steering here. And this is what it is. Rear steering is, it activates the rear wheels, so you're able to improve the handling and stability while driving. And then you would have to activate your Sidewinder. The Sidewinder would make all wheels go in the same direction, which essentially would activate your crab walk and make you go from going diagonally to horizontally, or horizontally to diagonally. But that's pretty much it. You just activate the feature there. Line up your tires, then you would have to activate your Sidewinder. Of course, you would enter the mode, and that's how you would do the crab walk on your brand new Chevy Silverado EV. This truck is here and available. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Definitely here to help. My name's Daniel here at Phillips Chevrolet. Thank you. Hope to speak to you soon.